Ikaw ba, Chelsea, kung sasagutin mo itong question na to?
Sige ha.
Sagot mo. Gusto mo basahin ko para sa'yo?
Yes, please.
In English.
Impromptu.
Tagalog na, para mabilis.
Sige.
Maliban sa ating ganda, ano ang pinakamaganda mong ambag sa mundo ngayong 2025?
Your inner beauty doesn't reflect on who you are from the outside or the inside, but what you do to other people. I think my greatest contribution for the year 2025 is to be a reflection of all individual people, to share my empowerment as a woman to men and women, and of course, to give an amplifying voice to those who are voiceless and make a change.
Grabe! Hey, iba tapos! Dito na kayo! Dito na kayo! Dito na kayo!
Ayun.
May tanong si Bubay, ano daw yung amplifying?
In Tagalog, amplify.
Is
Malakas. Bumuga.
may amplify na Tagalog?
Pinalakas.
Oo, parang you kind of
Pinalakas.
Yes.
Palakihin.
Grabe.
Yes.
Nag-iisa talaga ang Miss Chelsea Manalo.
Kaya siya nanalo.
Yes, exactly.
Nanalo.